video is about Multani Mitti Summer Face Pack for instant fairness and clear skin. It is 3 days skin glowing challenge. We all know that Multani Mitti absorbs excess oil from your face. It prevents your skin from sun damage. It also helps to improve your skin tone and gives you a natural glow, which is really important these soaring summers. To prepare this face mask for fair and clear skin you need Multani Mitti. Red lentil powder. Red lentil powder has natural bleaching properties that help in removing dark spots, acne scars, and any discoloration on the face. It also removes dead cells, treats blackheads, and gives you silky smooth skin. Almond powder. Almonds are rich in vitamin E. Vitamin E is a great antioxidant that helps to clear up your complexion. It also moistures your skin. Licorice powder has healing and soothing properties that prevent your skin from any damage. It also helps to fade away dark spots, blemishes, and pigmentation. Yogurt moistures and hydrates your skin. It also improves your skin texture. Take a bowl and add 1 tablespoon of Multani Mitti, 1 teaspoon of red lentil powder, 1 teaspoon of almond powder, 1 teaspoon of licorice powder, and add 2 tablespoons of yogurt to get a homogeneous paste. Apply this mask on your face and neck and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Wash off your face with a gentle massage. You will notice an instant bright and glow on your face.